2024 was more than a year. It was our journey of resilience and healing. In this remarkable year, we stood together, treating 91,000-plus patients, performing 14,000 critical surgeries, and transforming countless lives with our unwavering commitment and compassion. Beyond medical science, we don't just treat patients. We restore hope, we bring smiles, we heal souls. From the entire SGVP Hospital family, we wish everyone a Happy New Year 2025. As we enter 2025, we challenge you. Take one step that can transform your life. Remember, one small change can create a massive positive impact on your health and life. Together, let's make 2025 a year of transformation, healing, and hope. Happy New Year 2025.